Well, you've seen it on Facebook and YouTube. The biggest 200 square foot tiny house. Now for sale to you. It's had a change of circumstances after it was set on location in Bee Caves near Austin, Texas. So it's available to you to modify to your specific needs. It's a beautiful structure. It's only 12 wide by 18 interior. The cedar rain screens are all recycled materials. They should last decades with very minimum treatment. The nice thing about a rain screen is that it breathes. So the more the sun hits it, the more efficient the cooling system is inside. You can see the radiant barrier between those boards. These back garage doors house a 2-foot deep mechanical garage where all of the electric, plumbing, and weight system and HVAC systems are. They are insulated for winter security. I know that looks like an AC window unit, and it is, but it's been modified into a central high efficiency unit. Check out our other videos. And you'll never run out of hot water with this 3 liter per minute propane water heater. This is the Sunmar 2100. Look it up. It is your entire septic system. This lighting really doesn't do the house justice, but it's indirect under the steps and behind the rain screen. There's also 12-volt lighting throughout the house, much of it on Wi-Fi demand, as well as the door locks and a few other things in there. This little radiant fireplace does the job on coldest nights. And that's our drop-down closet. An antique door to accent with the Wi-Fi lock system. Now, I know that bed doesn't look like it's high enough, like maybe it crowds out the room. Marlon here is about 6 foot tall. Plenty of room in this room to dance. The couch, multifunctional, folds out into a king-size bed. We can finish it for you. We have a designer that can help you with that, or you can do it yourself. Plenty of storage there. Notice the pulley system here that the bed hangs on. It's not just any pulley system. There's a modified weight system outside that slides up and down on these poles that you can add to or subtract depending on your needs. And with that multiple pulley system above it and its extra safety cables, it would take years of abuse and neglect before that ever became a safety issue. That TV stand drops down over the tub or raises up. And then you have a 5-foot bathroom, 5-foot bathtub in your house that you can enjoy a nice soak. Behind the louvered windows or wall is a 5-foot by 7-foot shower, wet room. Everything in here is made of marine grade materials and designed to last for decades. Not only is the floor pitched, but the pan under the floor is pitched so that you have 0 problems with mold. And of course, there's a nice curtain between the bathroom and the kitchen, as needed. Open that window during a shower, or put an exhaust fan in. So here's the kitchen. It's mimicked after the 150-year-old, 100-year-old kitchen hutches. The AC return air is underneath. There's plenty of counter space there to do some work for 2. If you need more, just pull out another 20 inches of counter. Drop a chest of drawers and a mini fridge right here, and you've got a complete kitchen. There's our AC output. That is all you need to freeze it out in there in the middle of the hottest summer day. I think you know what we're going for here. Live big in a tiny house and be happy.